Hi, we are the Nightbloom, and my name is Solara.
My name is Lama.
My name is Ahmed.
My name is Philopateer.
And today we're going to be presenting the solar system. Some students might think the solar system is hard, but it isn't. You just need a few people to help you because it might take a lot of time.
The brainstorming was how you will search about solar system, about galaxy, and learn more and more about galaxy and solar system.
Foam balls or clay, cardboard or wooden base, stick or wires, painting brushes, labels, glue.
Before building the model, we show a simple plan to make the people understand.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.